The last time I prayed the rosary was, I think, 2 years ago. Mas nasanay ako after getting married. Me and my wife, we do pray the rosary every night before going to sleep. But due to busy schedule and pag-uwi ng late from the office, so the tendency is nakakalimutan namin mag-pray ng rosary. So from then on, talagang nane-neglect yung duty as Catholic and as a son and as a daughter. Came September 26 of 2012 this year. Parang feeling ko tayong problema. Parang feeling ko parang hindi ko na kaya. So I decided to pray the rosary. I pray morning during office actually. Came October 3, kausap ko yung kisan ko, kapatid ko from Dubai. So actually, isa siya sa mga pinag-pray ko that time. Para magkaroon na siya ng work. Yan. And then, parang nakakatuwa lang kasi biglang sinabi na niya sa akin na may work na siya. Para sabi ko, na span of more than or less than 2 weeks after praying the rosary, nagkaroon kagad yung prayer. It only proves na mas masarap pala talaga kapag kasama mo yung nanay mo. Yan. Or pag sinama mo si Mama Mary in your prayers. Here's the rosary na ginagamit ko. Actually, binago ko na yung aking prayer time sa rosary. I do it bago pumasok sa office. The next thing na pinag-pray ko was mabigay na, ma-approve na yung visa niya, yung permanent work visa sa Dubai. So last Thursday, nag-message siya ulit sa akin, kausap ko siya sa chat. Sinabi niya, nag-grant na nga yung visa. So, nakakatawa lang isipin na siguro kung hindi ako nag-stop mag-pray ng rosary, baka yung mga prayers na matagal ko nang hinihingi na nag-grant na siguro. Pero siguro may purpose why nangyari. Pero I'm just so fortunate and lucky na napag-aralan ko ulit, na natutunan ko ulit mag-pray ng rosary. Sana all of us na tayo sa community, let's practice and make it a habit of praying a rosary. So I invite everybody to pray the rosary.